A man hangs upside down from a living T-shaped tree, suspended by one ankle, his free leg bent to form a cross. A halo of golden light surrounds his serene face. Though bound, he appears at peace. The hanged man is the mystery of surrender, wisdom gained not through striving, but through letting go, turning inward, and seeing the world from a transformed perspective. The hanged man himself is the central symbol. His expression is calm, eyes open, hands behind his back in deliberate repose. He is not a victim, but a willing participant in his suspension. His posture teaches the paradox at the heart of the card. True insight sometimes requires stillness rather than action, inversion rather than advancement. He embodies voluntary sacrifice, the choice to pause, release control, and allow deeper understanding to emerge. The rope binding his ankle is the first supporting symbol. It is a single attachment, not a prison, showing that what holds him is intentional commitment, not coercion. The rope represents the discipline of surrender, the conscious decision to step out of the usual patterns of movement and ego-driven urgency. The second symbol is the living tree from which he hangs. Its trunk and branches form the Tau cross, an ancient emblem of initiation. The tree suggests that this suspension occurs in the realm of life, not death. Growth continues even in stillness. The hanged man undergoes a rite of passage, an initiation into a higher state of awareness. The third supporting symbol is his halo of radiant gold. This illumination signifies spiritual awakening, enlightenment born of reflection rather than effort. His reversal opens perception. The world seen upside down reveals truths hidden in conventional orientation. The halo affirms that surrender leads not to loss, but to revelation. The fourth symbol is the crossed leg, forming a shape reminiscent of the alchemical symbol for sulfur, the soul's fire. This subtle sign shows that transformation is occurring inwardly, ego burning away, insight rising. His pose echoes the symbol of the dancer in the world card, hinting that what begins in suspension ends in wholeness. The fifth symbol is his blue and red clothing. Blue expresses spiritual depth, receptivity, and contemplation. Red expresses life force and will. Here they are reversed, spirit above, action below, reflecting the inversion of values and priorities that makes inner truth possible. Together, these symbols reveal the hanged man as the archetype of transformative surrender. Pausing to see differently, releasing to understand more deeply, accepting stillness as a path to wisdom. He teaches the power of inversion, changing perspective to change reality. In readings, the hanged man signifies waiting, sacrifice, reframing, spiritual insight, and voluntary pause. It encourages letting go of control, shifting perspective, and embracing liminality. Its counsel: stop pushing. Allow the moment to transform you. Its shadow warns against stagnation or martyrdom. The hanged man teaches that surrender is not defeat. It is the opening through which enlightenment enters.